Hi guys, it's Ed from Wessex here. Today's video is going to be about our Broomex range. Broomex range consists of brushes suitable for tractors, forklifts, telehandlers for various applications which we're going to run through in today's video. So the first thing you might notice is that we've gone green. Colour has changed. We were historically white, but we've gone green to match the rest of the product range that we offer here at Wessex with the green and orange. So this is exactly the same product, same model numbers. The colour is the only difference. So it's the same quality product that you would expect from a Broomex brush. So I'm just going to quickly start here with the BP range. The BP range is an 8-row brush. You get them in sizes of 1.5, 1.8 metres and 2.4. This is a bit more of a compact type of brush. Typical usage would be for warehousing, yard work, industrial type of applications. You don't need a designated fork sleeve hitch, as these have those welded integrated onto the hood. You will have a set of chains that allows you to tie that to the headstock of the forklift so you can push and pull. Then we move over to the BM range. Now the BM range is 11 rows of bristle, so a much heavier brush compared to the BP. The BM range comes in 1.5 metres, 1.8, 2.4, then we go up to the bigger sizes, which is a 3 metre and a 3.6. Again, these can still be used for those industrial applications, yard maintenance. Typical applications of these is farming, grain stores and just yard work. If you're looking to decrease your sweeping time even further by maybe 65% faster compared to just a standard Broomex brush, you might want to consider the CMAX kit. The CMAX kit allows you to be bolted onto the sides, allows you to carry bulk material, also allows you to get close to the wall with our unique design. You'll have marker poles so that you can see what you're doing from the cab. The reason why it's faster is because it's not overspilling, so you can carry more. This will fit to all BM brushes from a 1.5 all the way up to the 3.6. Replacing the bristles could not be easier. All you have to do is remove the end cap, and then you literally pull out the bristle, as easy as that. And then when you come to replace this, all you've got to do is do that in reverse. The patented track system allows each row of bristle to stay as rigid as possible while being used. So this will allow you to brush forwards or backwards, getting the same performance from each row of bristle. This also means that you're not going to lose any material when you are sweeping. It also allows you to have the brush sit on its own weight. A lot of the competitors have to have a stand. When you take it off, at the end of the day, this brush can just sit there on its own weight, on its own bristles. It is worth noting that the hitches are not supplied as standard. You do need to stipulate which one you require at the point of order. All Broomex brushes are available from your local dealer, including the replacement bristle sets. In case you're wondering, all bristle sets that we currently sell will fit older type brushes, even on the older colour. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you soon.